we're going to go over how to put an item into Optimum Control. So from the home screen, you're going to select Items, and a new one should pop up. So we'll put in an example of eggs. So we'll put in a description. That's how it's going to show up on your count sheets. Inventory groups, which will be good for filtering on reports. So we'll put that towards dairy. Main location is where you physically are going to keep a bulk of the eggs. So we'll keep them in a cooler. After we save the item, we could put multiple locations towards this item. So it'll show up on multiple count sheets. How is it used in recipes? Well, we're going to use it by the unit, being an egg. The reporting unit and default ingredient unit will actually default right to each, but instead of reporting by the each egg, we're going to actually do it by carton. So now on the right side, we're going to fill out the case size information. So who do we buy the eggs from? We'll pick one of our suppliers. We'll give it an order code for that supplier. The case description will be what the supplier calls it on the invoices. If you're using import to do your invoicing, it'll actually fill that out for you. So I wouldn't worry about that right now. Same with barcodes. You'll be able to do that as you scan a barcode with our OC mobile app. It'll just assign it for you. If it's a brand new item without a barcode, you could actually select this toolbar here, and that'll create a barcode for you, which can be printed. Purchase price. So we'll say it's $42.50 per case. In the case of eggs, there will be 15 cartons, and in one carton there is 12 eggs. So based on this math, you could see that one each, or one egg, is worth 23 cents. If there was a yield on this item, obviously 100% for eggs, but if it was produce, you could actually have a different percent, so it'll affect your cost. Allow for split cases will allow you to order by the carton or the case. If this is the current case size, you would have this selected. Same with the default ordering. But those only apply if you have multiple case sizes, which we'll talk about in a minute here. So we'll click Save. And it's going to pop up and tell me a conversion is required because it needs to know that a carton equals 12 individual eggs, or 12 each. So we'll actually accept that. And it's complete. We now have eggs in our system. Now that it's saved, we have the option to assign multiple locations. So by clicking locations at the top, you can choose where else you want to keep the eggs. You could do also multiple conversions. Or you can actually assign nutritional values to do a nutritional label. If you buy eggs from more than one supplier or many different ways, you would select case sizes. And you could actually add in other ways to buy the eggs right in here. So that's all there is to adding in an item. If you have any questions on this, please call support at 1-888-798-5555. Thank you.